A warm welcome to you from Indian Railways. We take pleasure in welcoming you on board the Vande Bharat Express, India's first semi-high-speed train set. Get ready to experience extravagance right from your first step. The Vande Bharat Express is designed with automatic sliding doors for your safe alighting and boarding. We request you to exercise caution while alighting at your destination. The automated doors will open further to the warning lights above the gates going off, giving you a clear indication that it is safe for you to alight. We have enriched the train with the best-in-class features to treat you with high-ranking luxury. Pushback seats are provided in chair cars. Please use the lever provided at the side of your seat and you will be able to adjust your reclining levels. The seat to your front is fitted with a footrest on its rear side at the bottom for your comfy reclining. The executive chair car coaches are installed with 180-degree revolving seats. The lever to revolve the seat is provided at the bottom of the seat. Press the lever down and you'll be able to revolve the seat to the position required. You'll be able to adjust your reclining levels by pressing the push button provided below the seat handle. The seat to your front is fitted with a folded footrest on its rear side at the bottom. You may suspend your handbag on the hook provided. Just pull out the hook from its repose position. Each seat has a rollback dining tray fitted to its handle. Please lift your seat handle cover and pull out the dining tray. The tray could be used in its folded form or could be opened up to its fullest size as required by you. The coaches of Vande Bharat Express offer dedicated power charging sockets below each seat at a convenient location with a 3-pin power socket as well as a USB charging socket. So now, you don't have to wait for your turn to charge your mobile or laptop. A bottle holder is also provided in the seats for the convenience of every passenger. The Vande Bharat Express train's coaches have reading lights in the luggage rack above all seats with feather touch controls. A well-stocked first aid kit has been made available in every coach in the gangway area near the entrance door. The Vande Bharat's GPS-based passenger information system in each coach provides you with updates such as the train's speed, announcement of arriving station, information of opening and closing of doors, as well as safety messages on the LCD screens and on the LED displays above the doors in English, Hindi, as well as in the respective regional language. The onboard infotainment system offers you with a plethora of entertainment services as well. Treat yourself with the options of your choice. Just follow the simple steps, log on using your gadgets, and get ready to enjoy. To access our onboard infotainment service, you will first need to connect your device to a Wi-Fi network named Vande Bharat Infotainment. Once connected, you will reach the home page of our infotainment section. The menu bar is provided on the top left corner of the home page. You may click on it for the available options to be displayed for your choice. We encourage you to use your headphones for the best experience and to avoid disturbance to your co-passengers. The Vande Bharat Express has been facilitated with the unique bio-vacuum toilets. These modern toilets ensure that the waste is organically dissolved and only minimal water is discharged. We hence request you to ensure that no solid objects are thrown in the toilet which would choke the toilet and cause inconvenience to all the passengers on board. Please help us keep the toilets clean by flushing after the use. Passengers will be able to comprehend the toilet occupancy status through the indicator above the door which is visible from their respective seats. For the comfort of Divyangjan passengers, we have installed special lavatories with wider space, revolving doors, baby tray, and special side handle. Further, all seats and side walls near the windows are provided with braille text of seat numbers and other information. Each coach has alarm push buttons installed inside the coach for an event of emergency. These buttons, when pushed, raise an alarm to the loco pilot for the necessary action to be initiated. To open the automatic doors during an emergency, an exclusive handle is provided near the door. Once the train comes to a complete stop, you may break the glass cover of the red handle and slide open the door to one side by using the handle slot. Please do ensure that there are no trains running on the adjacent tracks. Should you prefer to communicate the state of your emergency to the crew, we have installed 4 talkback systems for the purpose within the passenger area, in addition to 2 talkback systems outside. These are meant to ensure your safety in case of an emergency and are hence not to be abused. On pressing the talk button, you will have the indicator glowing in red initially. Once the indicator turns green, you'll be able to communicate with your loco pilot and receive suitable response or instructions. The Vande Bharat Express has 2 emergency windows on each side of the coach. These emergency windows can easily be identified with the luminous red color indicator by the sides of the windows with a distinct black border. A hammer is provided in a breakable casing for breaking the glass during an emergency. Fire extinguishers are provided at the entrance of coaches in case of any minuscule fire detected. The Vande Bharat Express has been conscientiously equipped with the state-of-the-art safety features and the best-in-class luxury features that will edify your travel experience. Our onboard staff are always ready to serve you through the journey. We appeal to you to support us with your fullest cooperation. While it would be our utmost delight to receive your appreciation, we equally welcome your suggestions and complaints to serve you better. Indian Railways at your service always. Wishing you a memorable journey in Vande Bharat Express.